Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the murky waters of Zimbabwean politics, focusing on the controversial figure, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Let's start with the bombshell dropped by President Mnangagwa during Chiwenga's recent wedding to Colonel Miniothabo Baloyi. Mnangagwa revealed that Chiwenga's relationship with Baloyi began way back in 2009, while he was still married to Mary Mubaiwa. Yep, you heard that right. It seems Chiwenga had a secret affair for years before his messy divorce in 2019. Now, this isn't just tabloid fodder. Chiwenga is a high-ranking official, and his actions are constantly under the microscope. The public disclosure by Mnangagwa has cast a shadow on Chiwenga's character, raising eyebrows and questions about his judgment and integrity. But the drama doesn't stop there. Zimbabwe's Vice President Kembo Mohadi recently resigned amidst a scandal involving leaked audio recordings. These recordings allegedly captured Mohadi making inappropriate propositions to women, leading to accusations of abuse of power. Mohadi claimed the recordings were fabricated using voice cloning technology, but the damage was already done. Mohadi's resignation has left a void in the government, and President Mnangagwa now has the challenging task of finding a new vice president. This scandal has shaken the government, casting a long shadow over its reputation and fueling public distrust. And guess what? Chiwenga's personal life just got even more intertwined with his political role. President Mnangagwa confirmed Chiwenga's marriage to Baloyi, an officer in the Zimbabwe National Army. This development has raised eyebrows about potential conflicts of interest and the dynamics within the military and government. Now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Chiwenga has been married multiple times, with each relationship ending in controversy. His previous marriage to Mary Mubaiwa ended amidst allegations of infidelity and abuse. Chiwenga allegedly bribed courts to deny Mubaiwa travel documents until she had her arm and legs amputated. Can a man with such a past truly be the face of fighting corruption? The Citizens Coalition for Zimbabwe party certainly doesn't think so. They question how a man who pretended to defend the constitution before removing Mugabe in 2017 can be trusted to lead the nation. According to them, Chiwenga's actions speak louder than his words, and his past casts a long shadow on his future aspirations. So what does this mean for Zimbabwe's future? The intertwining of personal scandals with political roles highlights the complex power dynamics at play. As Chiwenga continues to fight for the presidency, the scrutiny on his character and actions will only intensify. That's all for today's deep dive into Zimbabwean politics. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more content like this.